DoneRight Management. We are at Reedy Set Go. So the Wi-Fi and the Wi-Fi password, information for the Wi-Fi is Reedy Set Go, the capital R. And if you need to reset and you cannot connect for some reason, right here on the floor is the unit. Now, just in case it reset itself, and every once in a while that'll happen, you actually have all the contact details right here. So you have the SSID. So if you see a TP-Link 9179, then you know that it reset. And then the same thing with the password PIN is going to be the 776 number. So if you're not seeing Reedy, then you're going to need to use the default information that's going to be available. So if you have any further questions while you're here using the Wi-Fi at Reedy Set Go, you can reach out to us. Number at DoneRight Management is 208-634-0030. Cheers.